morning, it's Big D here, Flap Jacking Bees. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're off to do a bit of filming up a place called Oddstock, where I've got Old Codger landscape behind me from the Baja Bandits. On the Baja Bandits, and we're going to see what we can find today. There's certainly a nip in the air. It's first time ever I've been out on this thing and I've got gloves on. And these are what my mother bought me. She's been dead 20 years.
Returning to base. There it's got a puncture. You see it. Ooh. I wonder where you picked that up then. Yeah.
I got tired of back, you know, one in that case.